In this video, I will be showing you how I get an accurate, comprehensive book summary using ChatGPT's document analysis features to break down even the most complex nonfiction titles. I'm starting right here on the home page, and to begin, I'll move my cursor down to the text input bar and click on the plus icon to open the file menu. I'm selecting the option to add photos and files, then navigating to my Downloads folder to select my Atomic Habits document and clicking Open to attach it to the chat. To ensure I get a high-quality summary right from the start, I'm pasting a specific prompt from my notes that asks the AI for the main idea, the core framework, and the 5 most important takeaways. I hit send, and you can see ChatGPT immediately starts processing the document to extract these key elements. Once the initial overview is done, I'll scroll down to check the results and verify the accuracy of the points. To get even more detail from the text, I'm going back to my notepad to copy a second prompt for a chapter-by-chapter summary. I'll paste this into the chat, explicitly specifying that I want 2 to 3 sentences for every single chapter to ensure no key insights are missed. As the response generates in real time, I'll scroll through to see how it effectively breaks down the logical progression of the book's arguments. Finally, I want to see how ChatGPT can synthesize all this information into a completely different format for my own records. I'm copying a final prompt to request a 3-paragraph book review written in a friendly, conversational tone. I paste it and hit enter. ChatGPT now takes all the previously analyzed data and transforms it into a polished review that covers what the book is about, why it's useful, and exactly who should read it. By using these layered prompts, you can turn any uploaded document into a deep, organized analysis in just a few minutes. If you found this walkthrough helpful for your own reading and research, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.